Hello, everyone, and welcome to the AWS event. And I'd like to welcome you all for joining in. We have an exciting event planned for you with many talks, quizzes, and workshops packed for you. The AWS Community Day South Asia 2021 is brought to you by the AWS User Groups of South Asia. Before we get started with the event, I'd like to welcome some of the user group leaders that will be part of this event. So we have Tisha, who's from the Bangladesh user group. We have Manoj, who's from the Sri Lanka user group, as well as we have Bikas, who's from the Nepal user groups. So I'd like to invite all these three user group leaders.
Good morning, everyone. Let me just quickly share a brief introduction about Bangladesh User Group. So we are a user group who are going live from 2017, and we had our first user group community day back in 2020. So 2020 we started our community day journey, and this year this is our second time, and we have collaborated with India, Nepal, Sri Lanka to bring the most impressive and most enormous community day for South Asia. So this is, just give me one moment to bring the screen. All right. So we are passionate cloud enthusiasts running AWS User Group organically, as already Faisal mentioned. And we are not AWS employees, mostly professionals from different organizations who has the zeal for learning about cloud platforms, especially AWS. So then we gathered together and formed a group. It was a Facebook group initially, and so this was this is Mizanur Rahman Bhai, who is one of our founder and mentor, and then I came as a founder and mentor myself. Then we have a team of wonderful organizers. There are community managers, operations managers, communication managers. So all these brilliant people have gathered together just to share knowledge and as well as bring the community in a more stronger manner. We have our biggest supporter and mentor from AWS, who is Mohammad Mahdiul Zaman Bhai. He is in the AWS and he has facilitated so many workshops with us along the line. So currently we have the biggest channel which actually get the most communication done is the Facebook group that we have. We have over 4,000 plus members there and professionals. So those are the channels who get the most exciting news and topics to discuss. And we also have our Slack channels which is also going very strong. So the initiative so far we have taken is the community days, meetups, different webinars. The knowledge sharing part is always the number one priority. Then speaking engagement in different technical events, mentorship, workshop, blogs, forums, Slack, Facebook, and LinkedIn channels are the channels we are using currently. So thank you everyone for joining today. I hope you would enjoy this event a lot. There are a brilliant panels and workshops happening all through the day, and I'm wishing all the best the AWS community, the South Asia 2021. Thank you.
Hi guys, good morning to all of you. My name is Manoj, so I am the user group leader from Sri Lanka. First of all, let me welcome all of you to the South Asia AWS User Group AWS Community Day. Let me welcome all of you to this event today. So a little bit about our user group. So I would say it's one of the youngest user group that we formed. And it's been like a couple of years we formed this user group in Sri Lanka. But ever since, we have been organizing meetups on every single month. So this is one of the thing that we continuously keep doing. And we got support from a lot of people from AWS as well as everyone in the AWS user group community. So special thanks to all of them for conducting sessions, help us conducting sessions and delivering a great experience and great lessons and all this information to our user group and all the community in Sri Lanka. So thanks everyone, and we are continuing to go strong with the collaboration of all the user groups. And this event is, I think, one of the milestone. So I thanks everyone for joining today, because today is going to be a very exciting day. And as you have already know, there are so many sessions that we have speakers lined up for you guys, and also workshops tomorrow, and as well as quizzes, so you guys can take part in all these quizzes and win exciting gifts. So let me again welcome all of you to AWS Community Day, South Asia, and hope you guys enjoy a lot today. Thanks.
Hi everyone. First of all, good morning to all of South Asia. I'm Vikas Adhikari from AWS User Group Nepal. I'm representing AWS User Group Nepal in this AWS Community Day South Asia 2021 virtual edition. Regarding AWS User Group Nepal, it's also one of the youngest user groups in South Asia. The user group started in 2018, and we had our first meetup of the user group in 2018 itself. And prior to the pandemic, we had a few meetups and community events, but the pandemic stopped us from doing those events. But I believe now the initiation of this community day together with user groups from India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Nepal together, this will start a chain of community events happening virtually with a greater effort and support from all the user groups. And we believe that this event will also help user groups like Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, India, everyone held community events and similar events regularly now on. The AWS user community Nepal is not that huge. We currently have around 900 members, I guess. But from now on, we'll be aiming to do community events continuously, as these events bring people together, community people who are trying to learn AWS, who are trying to grow with AWS together, to share knowledge, experiences, as well as different platforms that we all can grow. So with saying this, I'd like to welcome you all to this event. This will be an amazing event, definitely, and I believe we all will learn a lot and gain a lot of connections as well, because since this is a community event, we'll get to connect with people like our mindset, people who are interested in AWS, people who are interested in cloud. So I hope this will be a fruitful event for everyone. So welcome.
Next, I would like to bring in all of the hosts that will be there for your event, that will guide you through both the tracks, the track 1 and the track 2 for the event. So if you can welcome Vaishnavi, Angel, and Dolly Jane. Welcome, guys.
Go, 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 build, build.